All right, B. So what I want to know is, how does somebody rebuild their reputation after they've destroyed it? Like, how do they show up again? How do they communicate? Kind of what are your thoughts there? How does somebody fix that?
Sure. Well, I think it was Warren Buffett that said it takes 20 years to build your reputation and 20 seconds to ruin it. And so I think all of our viewers here should remember that statement. 20 years to build your reputation, 20 seconds to ruin it. And so let's say if someone's ruined their reputation with someone, they've eroded that. Well, if it's with an individual, you got to start off by apologizing, right? And so you want to apologize and say, look, I'm sorry. Here's how I screwed up, and here's how I'm going to make it right. The rest of it is now time. It's time, because now if I want to see that you're really going to build your reputation, once you've apologized, either to an individual or to an industry, if you screwed an industry over or whatever, then you want to obviously put time in, and you want to be congruent and consistent with the words that you say and the deeds that you are going to execute, your actions. And if you're going to be consistent with your words and your actions, and you do it for a long enough period of time, people will start rebuilding trust. Here's the cool thing about humanity. People are very forgiving. It's just how we are, right? Like, we are willing to forgive someone if they have put in their apology and they have put in the time to rebuild that connection. But it is going to take time. And if some people are like, you know what, that's it, you've ruined their reputation and we have no other reason to stay in contact, then you also have to honor that. So if it's with an individual and you're like, man, you've ruined your reputation, I can't trust you, I can't do business with you, or I can't stay in this relationship with you, then chalk it up as a learning lesson and understand that next time around, your reputation is everything.
Yeah. Do you ever think there's something that you just absolutely can't come back from? Or like, there's nothing, like, you shouldn't even try. Like, you officially just damage it to the point where you can't come back.
Yeah. Like, okay. Like, for me, if someone is in business with me or in a relationship with me and they're either dishonest or disrespectful, and I didn't do anything to deserve the disrespect, you're dead to me. There's no coming back from that, right? Some people that worked in this building, right? They were dishonest, disrespectful in their actions, and they're dead to me. And they've reached out like, hey man, can we rekindle a relationship, at least a friendship, whatever? They're just dead to me.
Right.
It's as simple as that. So I think every individual probably has some things like, hey, these are the things that no matter what, they can't come back from. For me, it's that.